Today I'll teach you guys how we guys can zoom out from your Fortnite display. As you guys can see, my display is currently zoomed out. I'll show you how we guys can do that. You need to click on your profile picture at the top right of your screen first and then click on the setting icon. From inside setting, you want to click on settings again and you want to make sure you're in the video section. Now to zoom out from your display, make sure you're in the windowed version. If you're in full screen, you cannot do anything. So go on windowed. Once you're inside windowed, you can choose the resolution you want. After you choose the resolution you want, click on apply and click on keep changes and a change will be set. As you guys can see, my Fortnite display has been changed a bit. Now if I want to zoom in, I can just make it a big over here, like from the sides like this. If I want to make it small, I can do it from the side like this. Now if you want full screen, you can just go back to settings again. This time click on full screen and click on apply and it's going to be turned back to full screen. I hope you understand how we guys can zoom out of Fortnite. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future Fortnite videos like this. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.